Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are gonna get ready with me. So basically this is just a video where I'm getting myself ready to go anywhere I want to go. Anyways, I don't know what I'm talking about, but I'm getting ready. Just a typical day. I'm trying to keep it every day for this video. I want to keep it like an everyday makeup and not like a going out makeup. And this is just me, like, you know, just having fun and recording a little video. So in this video, like I say, it's gonna be a get ready with me, and I'm gonna show you guys how I do my little makeup. It's not a makeup tutorial. The first thing I'm gonna do is moisturize my skin. So I have to look into my mirror, which is gonna be a big challenge. Okay, so I'm gonna moisturize. Look at this one. This is how we do. You have to keep your face all supple and moisturized and like just like cute and shiny. So after my face is moisturized, I'm feeling good. I'm feeling great. This primer was randomly sent to me by a drugstore in my city called Shoppers Drug Mart. So I'm gonna use this primer today. It's my first time ever using this thing. It's called Nude by Nature Perfecting Primer. They just give me a little small 50 milliliter little thing here. It's cute using right now. So question, what is you guys' favorite music right now? It's so weird doing makeup on camera. Like I feel uncomfortable. Like I feel like I cannot go in like I usually do. But so this primer, I feel like it's moisturizing. I feel like my face is super moisturized now with this primer, which is really good. But I also have oily skin, so things like this kind of scare me. After I moisturize, prime, I always go to my brows. It's more stubborn like me. Like I said, I was asking earlier, what was you guys favorite song or music that you have on replay currently? Because me, there's a few songs that I like now. I actually made a video called Get Lit With Me, my summer playlist, and so you can check that out. It's somewhere there. If you're done watching this video, you can go and click on that and see some of the songs that I really am jamming to right now. But I'm such a music junkie. Like I just love music. So I literally just had to cut a big chunk of that. I kind of want y'all to look at least like sisters, like you know each other or something. Next, I'm gonna do is just conceal around. Now I'm just gonna do Cover Up by Riri. Obviously I'm gonna do Riri. Y'all know, I don't know if you knew, but you know now, I love me some Riri. Look, from here on now, I'm still working on the face, the complexion, everything, you know, making it look sun-kissed, dewy, beautiful, and just like airbrushed. Like I woke up like this. So I just do a little concealer. I use my Riri Fenty in color Cocoa. You believe me when I say it's Cocoa, right? You believe me when I say it's Cocoa? You see that Cocoa right there? You see that Cocoa? That's Cocoa, man. I'm loco. Anyway, so I'm just going to use my brush to I think it's kind of blended. I'm just using, I'm gonna go with the sponge to like blend it more. A little bit of a baking. Do you like baking? You like baking cookies? You like baking pies? Well, I like baking cakes. So I'm not using too much powder because I just hate powder in my face too much. It just makes me look crazy. I already had the lesson. I learned my lesson. I don't do that anymore. So I'm done with my face. I think I'm gonna kind of contour a little bit. I feel like contouring. Just gonna be like some light like this, you know, some light like this. I'm still using Rihanna Fenty Beauty. This is the Match Sticks in color Espresso. You see that espresso right there? So natural. One thing I like about Rihanna's makeup is like it's so natural looking. Like it's so soft, it's so natural, it blends, it's not too much. Like this is the perfect makeup. Like it doesn't make you look cakey. You don't need to be cakey. Cakey is not cute. And Rihanna's makeup is very, very, very soft and natural too, so it only makes sense that her line represents that same vibe. Look at me, like I have to like stretch myself to get in there. Okay, I'm done with this face. I'm gonna leave it alone. This baking can stay there for a little bit. I'm gonna go to my eyes now. Obviously, when I want natural looking makeup, my eyeshadow to go for is always gold. I'm just obsessed with that color. And if you call it a color, the shade, I'm obsessed with the shade gold. And whenever I'm doing a natural makeup or every day of my life, I just like to throw in some gold in there. I've tried other eyeshadows, it's nice, you know, but gold speaks to me in a different way. I just leave it at that. But even though I'm going to wear gold, I still want my crease to be sort of grown up, like a crease to be darker than the inside, because when you just put one color, like you just put gold on your eyes, that's what you used to do when you were in 8th grade and you didn't know makeup. Just one little gold color and you go out your way. But because we're grown people now, we know better. You're supposed to kind of have a little 3D effect going on. So I always put a little chocolatey, dark kind of chocolatey thing on my crease. I mixed 2 different ones. This is my Tarte one. See that thing? Yeah, I love it so much that it's done. But I don't even use it like that anymore because now I use Huda Beauty more often. But I'm gonna mix the two and you will see. You will see what I'm talking about better if I show you. So the crease is where it's at, right? So just gonna crease it in there. do this the other way too. Just gotta crease it in there. You can tell that it's a little darker. You can tell that something went on this eye that wasn't there before. I can tell. So, and then next I'm gonna add a little more. So my camera stopped at 23. Okay, so next I'm gonna add a little more. So this is the Huda Beauty one. I'm gonna take this really chocolatey here. Well, it's kind of like chocolate, dark chocolate. I'm gonna add it on top of my eye again. Okay, thank you. That was really nice. So, like I said, gold is my go-to. There's a gold in the middle. I'm gonna use that gold. And yeah, that's it. I'm gonna just take my finger. I'm gonna use my finger. I don't know why I always use my middle finger. Like, I swear to God, it's not even on purpose. I'm not trying to say f you to nobody, but I literally always use my middle finger. Like, I noticed it in my other video where my finger was just up on the middle finger the whole time that I was blending something. I was like, oh my goodness. Like, with my... Okay, I'm back. So after I put the gold shadow on, I'm going to just use a eyeliner. That's what I do, like a liquid eyeliner on top. So yeah, this is just like a simple makeup, you know, nothing too crazy. I'm kind of out of idea for what to say and stuff about now. I feel I need to say. Yeah, so I ran out of subjects to talk about. By the way, this primer that I used, wow, I really like it. I don't know if it's all in my head because it's brand new, but I don't know, I just feel like it's really doing good stuff.
number you have dialed has been changed.
So I went up with my outfit on. This is my outfit of the day. Just some jeans. I don't know if you can see. The get ready is not finished until I kind of do my hair a little bit. So I'm just gonna straighten it like a tad.
What up, bro? Watch out, wait, don't be hold on, wait.
Listen to the song here in my heart. Listen to the song here in my heart. Okay, I'm done. Here is finito. Except for a little bit of details that I like to do. If you know me, you know I like to like my other video, I like to play with my baby hairs. Go check out my how to do a ponytail with natural C hair. My hair is completely natural underneath this weave. I do not perm my hair at all, and you know I don't recommend perm, but if you do like perm, do it. But me, honestly, that thing destroyed my hair, and I'm never looking back to putting that stuff in my hair ever again. But yeah, so I'm ready to go. Just a little bit. So this concludes my get ready with me video. I would like to personally thank you for staying until the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel, and to everybody that's subscribed, can you please just push the notification button? It's like a little bell thing on top there. It's great because you will be able to know when I post it right away. Like it will send you a notification and you'll be like, oh, there's a new video by this girl, yeah, let's go watch it. So do that. Thank you so much for watching. Again, click. How many clicks am I gonna say? No, smash the like button and comment your thoughts and anything you want to talk about. Like, I'm looking for video ideas. I want to do more videos. I want you to tell me what video you want me to do, challenges you like to see me. Like, you know what, sometimes you just look at somebody's face and you're like, I would like to see this girl do the cinnamon challenge. I just want to see her kind of choke. I'm just playing. Whatever challenge you want me to do, tell me. I'm gonna do them. I'm just like, I want to have fun, and I'm having fun, and I just want to continue this fun YouTube journey. I love YouTube, so I want to give you guys kisses. In my other video, I said that I'm gonna stop calling everybody that watches me honeys. And what was the one for boys? I said honeys, and I forgot. I said I'm gonna call my girls honeys, and my boys, I don't even remember. Honeys and thugs? No, not thugs. We don't do that thug stuff here. No, honeys and something. Anyways, again, thank you very much. And please share this video to your friends. Let them know that this little video that gets lit from time to time. Go watch my other videos if you have not watched yet. I'm gonna put the video here.